up guys, welcome to the channel. Today we got a much needed mod for my 2013 Ford F-150. This afternoon, this package showed up at my doorstep and I'm wasting no time unboxing it. And I have to say, this is the most well-packaged item I've ever received. And here it is, a new aluminum tri-fold tonneau cover for my truck. Now you might be thinking, there's a lot of pieces to this kit. It might be pretty complicated to install, but I'm here to tell you, it's really not, and it's super simple. Now this is the best tonneau cover you can get for your 12th gen F-150. It's very heavy duty. It uses aluminum honeycomb panels, which are stronger than a soft cover and also super light. The crossbars and buckles are made of some of the highest quality plastics, ensuring strength and durability, and it uses 6 heavy duty clamps to secure the cover to the bed, whereas most tonneau covers only use 4. Now let's put this thing together. We're starting on the very front of the cover nearest to the cab, slide the aluminum clamp on, and thread on the wing nut. That's it. Then repeat on the other side. Next, we're going to move on to the middle of the cover. So grab one of these fancy looking clamps and make sure it's in the open position as shown here. Simply thread it on to the stud. Then you can snap it into this rubber piece to keep it out of the way for installation. Now do the same thing for the rest of the 3 studs. This cover is made by Odrio and is 5.5 foot long to fit my specific bed. They also have a 6.5 foot long tonneau cover if you guys have the larger bed. I'll leave the link in the description in case you guys are interested. When you lift the lever up, it clamps onto the bedside, and when you push it down, it releases. The rest of the parts are extras in case something needs to be replaced. This buckle is to keep the strap from dangling, and this buckle keeps the tonneau cover from unfolding. Now that the tonneau cover is fully assembled, it's time to bring out the beast. If you guys can't already tell, my F-150 has the 3.5 EcoBoost, and I just made what I believe is the best sounding exhaust for it. That video is coming soon, so if you guys want to see it, make sure to subscribe and browse the channel for more F-150 content. Here's my current tonneau cover. It's a tri-fold just like the new one, but this is a soft top. This one's starting to generate some wear. The cover and all the plastics are starting to become faded. And the worst thing about it is it's super flimsy. Now, let's rip this piece of junk off the truck. We need to apply this weather stripping to the front of the bed. Now it's time to grab the new cover. Now I can use my 20/20 vision and get this cover centered on the bed. That way it looks good before we lock it down in place. Looks good to me. Now we need to fold it up carefully without knocking it out of alignment. Now, twist the front clamps evenly, that way they don't pull to one side or the other when we're tightening them. Make sure it's good and secure, then fold down the second flap and we'll get the tightening in. You can also buckle in the straps to make them not dangle. Then we'll twist this up to make sure that it secures to the bed properly. You want to make sure that it's tight, but not too tight. If it's too tight, you can overbend the sheet metal on the bed, and that would not be good. You can also use a safety pin to ensure the clamp won't loosen on its own. Repeat on the rest of the 3 clamps. Let's close the tailgate and admire the new tonneau cover. I have to say, as far as quality goes on this tonneau cover, it's one of the best I've ever seen. The fit and finish is perfect, seals perfectly around here. I've never seen any water in the bed whatsoever. And it's made of some heavy duty aluminum, so it's super strong and it's super light if you ever have to take this off for some reason. If you guys are interested in this tonneau cover for your Ford F-150, they also have some for multiple other trucks. It's made by Tonneau, I believe is how you say it. I'll leave the link in the description. With all that being said, I appreciate you guys watching this video. Make sure to leave a like and a comment, and I'll catch you guys in the next video. If you guys are interested in this tonneau cover, make sure to check out Tonneau. If you guys are interested in this tonneau cover, make sure to check out. If you guys are interested in this tonneau, if you guys are interested in this tonneau. If you guys are interested in this tonneau cover for your Ford F-150, they also have some for multiple other trucks. It's made by Tonneau. It's made by Tonneau, I believe is how you say it.